Bro, something dangling on your thing. Trying to let him know that he had something. He had a big ass, like 6-foot rope. Hey, where them bikes at? Let's go. Yo, I'm so impressed with this Flash, bro. Like, the bike is perfect. It's almost perfect. All right, it's almost perfect. I think we're still going to do the 520 conversion, but we're going to keep it stock. Probably going to keep it stock gearing. I was thinking about maybe going one up in the back, maybe, but I don't know. When I was talking to Lewis, they kind of scoffed and laughed at that when I said going two up in the back, and the guy was telling me, like, dude, you're not going to be able to keep it down. So I was like, huh? Because I know I talked to Mungus, and he said that he's two up in the back and he stayed the same in the front. So I was like, huh. So when they said that, they were like, nah, you need to go down in the down in the front, go 16, and then maybe go like 43 in in the back. And I was like, oh shit. I feel like that's track gearing though. But I feel like that's not street gearing. I feel like the bike comes pretty well geared for the street. For the track, I think I would change it to something that drastic, but not for the street. I'd be more comfortable seeing other people that have done 2-up. I might just go 1-up, you know what I mean? But keep the same amount of links in the chain. Get up! Adjust this backpack, this pack. Well, we just keeping it. Well, we keeping the trailer today, baby. Trucks, man. I hate riding past these motherfuckers. Behind me, just in case. Bitches waiting. Swisher. Do I want to come back this way? We got some killers. colors on my car. Here and turn around. Everybody keeps going to that back one, and it's really bad. It gets really backed up. Of course, there's something in my eyeball. Of course. To try to wipe my eyeball. telling you, man, this bike, like, I don't even understand. It's a cheat code. Those flashes are like cheat codes, bro. And it's what's funny is that it's just flash, so they just unlocked it. Like, so it hasn't even necessarily been tuned yet. It's just been flashed. So I can only imagine how much better this thing can get with a tune. You know, it's insane. Now I know why Dude-Mungus Gixxer is so fast, man. This thing has so much potential to be really fast. It's crazy. I think that's why people talk so much shit about Gixxers. They're just fucking fast. And compared to Ducati, compared to Aprilia, here you go. Full pup. Gotta be careful on this road though, it's really wavy. It's wavy, baby. I would never do wheelies on this road. And what's funny is my neighbor, he's not into street bikes. Well, I'm sure he can ride them obviously, but he rides ATVs and fucking dirt bikes, and he be wheeling all the way fucking everywhere. He does wheelies on the street. I'm like, fuck that. This road's so wavy, man. I'm riding big ho. Impala. Straight power. I'm riding big ho. Hey, I'm riding big ho. I've got to make is which car I'm gonna take when I skate. I'm riding big ho. Hey, I'm riding big ho. Hardest decision I've got to make is which car I'm gonna take when I sing. I'm riding big ho. I'm riding big ho. GSX-R1000. Crazy. Charles, yeah. Get the gun up. I didn't know what I done did. If you wanna ride me.